Welcome to Marvel Rivals. Today, we're spotlighting one of the most cunning and resourceful heroes in the game. Meet Rocket Raccoon, the tech-savvy strategist from the Guardians of the Galaxy. With his mastery of heavy weapons and futuristic technology, Rocket is a force to be reckoned with on the battlefield. Rocket may not appear to be a tech genius or an expert tactician, but anyone who has ever found themselves on his hit list has quickly regretted underestimating him. This cunning space soldier is just as eager to support his teammates as he is to collect bounties on his enemies. Let us delve into abilities. Rocket Raccoon's primary fire ability is called Bombard Mode. This ability allows him to fire energy projectiles rapidly from his custom-built rifle. It has a very high rate of fire, making it a reliable source of sustained damage. Bombard Mode fire energy projectiles that deal 16 damage per round. This ability has 45 ammo and a fire rate of 12.05 rounds per second. The projectile speed is 150 meters per second, and it can deal critical hits. The damage fall-off begins at 10 meters, decreasing to 40% at 20 meters. Rocket Raccoon's secondary fire ability is called Repair Mode. This ability allows him to launch bouncing yellow spheres that provide healing over time to allies within its radius. The projectiles will ricochet off any surfaces upon contact, making it a versatile tool for healing teammates even when Rocket is behind cover. Repair Mode, shoot bouncing spheres to heal allies. This ability heals 70 health per second for allies and 35 health per second for Rocket himself. It has a duration of 5 seconds, 8 ammos, and a fire rate of 2 rounds per second. The range is a 5-meter spherical radius, and the projectile speed is 60 meters per second. The spheres will bounce off surfaces up to 10 times and slow down to 4.5 meters per second when approaching injured allies. Rocket Raccoon's ultimate ability is called Silent Cosmic Yarn Amplifier. This ability allows him to deploy a stationary gadget that grants a 40% damage boost to all allies within its radius. The amplifier has 800 health and lasts for 12 seconds. Players can track if they are within the effect radius by the visible energy thread connecting them to the amplifier. Jetpack Dash. This ability allows him to quickly propel himself forward in the direction of the aiming reticle, granting him flexible mobility. It has 2 charges and a cooldown of 6 seconds per charge. The maximum distance Rocket can dash is 10 meters. This ability, combined with his small frame and the ability to wall climb, makes Rocket Raccoon very hard to pin down. Barber Battle Rebirth Beacon is an ability that allows Rocket Raccoon to deploy a stationary gadget at a targeted location. This gadget revives a fallen ally within a large radius and periodically produces armor packs and rocket jetpacks. The armor packs grant 25 bonus health, while the rocket jetpacks enable players to perform a super jump. The beacon has a maximum distance of 50 meters and provides strategic support to Rocket's team by reviving allies and enhancing their mobility and survivability. Wild Crawl. This ability allows him to run on walls by holding the spacebar. It grants him increased movement speed of 10 meters per second while running on walls, providing him with incredible mobility and the ability to reposition quickly during battles. Flying Ace. This ability allows him to fall slowly by holding the spacebar. It grants him a descending speed of 3.5 meters per second, providing him with controlled descent and the ability to reposition during battles. Old Friends is an ability in Marvel Rivals where Jeff the Land Shark and Rocket Raccoon can ride on Groot's shoulders, receiving a 35% damage reduction. This targeted ability has a range of 12 meters, making it a strategic option for enhancing survivability during battles. Ammo Invention. When paired with the Punisher or Winter Soldier, Rocket can deploy a gadget that provides infinite ammo and increased rate of fire for these heroes if they are within its radius. This gadget lasts for 12 seconds and has a cooldown of 45 seconds.
One day, I will get even.
Just say it, there's nothing I can't fix. At first glance, Rocket may look cute and fuzzy, but this Space Ranger has a bite as fierce as his attitude. Fortunately, he uses his remarkable technical skills for good as a member of the Guardians of the Galaxy.
In your face!
Find that soul.
I'll patch you up. Almost found out.
Chin up.
Enemy in front of us.
Rocket Raccoon excels as a long-range support hero with high mobility and a versatile kit. He can provide sustained healing and damage, revive allies, and buff their damage. His short stature allows him to find cover more effectively behind walls and obstacles. Additionally, he can run on walls freely at increased movement speed, enhancing his mobility and escape options.
They've almost got it! We are undefeatable!
This is a nice spot.
Friends, gather around!
Again!
We captured the mission area!
Armor packs here. Pay up. I am T'Challa. Armor packs here. Pay up. I'll patch you up. Those fingers don't grow on trees, you know.
Hell up, please!
Hey, the human host is down. Down.
Your team's capture progress has passed the halfway point.
This is a nice.
They've almost got it! We are undefeatable!
Just what we need. That was a little messed up there.
Friends,
Thanks.
gather around!
Yeah.
Friends,
Join Rocket Raccoon in Marvel Rivals. Master his abilities, strategize with your team, and dominate the arena with the power of technology and cunning.
Nice spot. Someone scratch my back.
By the eye of Agamotto,